Welcome everyone, another Lego Monday, back to Speed Champions, doing McLaren this week. We got the Solus GT and the F1 LM. I didn't know that it was LM, but this one, seminal piece of my, not childhood, but young adulthood. This was the fastest car available in the original Gran Turismo on PS1. I didn't even have a PS1 and I still knew about that. I was a Nintendo guy back in the day. But anyways, let's crack her open and see what we got here. Pictures of the the real life versions of them. That's still a good looking car to me. That's what one of the gimmicks of it, or the driver's seat is actually centered, so and it's technically a street car. But anyway, that was sort of, fastest car in the world at the time, fastest production car in the world at the time. And that was one of the big bragging rights things. I think before the Bugatti, the Veyron, there was the F1. But let's see what we got. We got 4 bags, a unibody. Only one unibody, that's surprising. I'm betting that's for the F1. 2 reasonably chunky books, a few stickers. Only 1 sheet of stickers, so that's surprising. Figured there'd be a set for each. Ah, there's the other one. Hiding from me, static. I'm going to save this for next week just because, sentimental value, and I want to save it till last. So we're going to start on this one. How many steps is this one? 122. So not a overly long build, but still going to be what it's going to be. And so if you're new here, the plan is I'll just knoll this stuff out, make it all reasonably neat, not nice and neat because I don't do nice and neat, and build it at high speed with trying to find a reasonably entertaining song to put underneath it. And I'll be right back with that. we go. Got the, I forgot the name of this one. McLaren Solus GT. That's pretty cool. You know, it's got room for our test driver, I would assume. First time I've seen a movable steering wheel for a Lego car. She's a rebel, not going to wear a helmet. Well, puts in the same thing. Her hair won't fit in the... Alright. The biggest issue I have is these pieces right here. They just keep breaking off. They're barely hanging on. They're real fragile. I can get the light and everything showing there. They're just not much holding them on, so I just kept knocking them off. That's a good looking car. That's definitely I think it's a real car, but it looks like a concept car, but I'm pretty sure they made this one. Got the built-in sticker with the exhaust rather than an actual pipes or anything on this one. A little crooked on that sticker, but I dig it. I like these crazy exotic cars. That's why I hadn't built there's a Nissan GTR, I think, or maybe a Skyline. I'm not sure. And the Supra. Neither one of those appeal to me because I know what those cars really are supposed to look like, and they don't look like this. This one, I have no idea what it really looks like in person, so I don't mind building this one. I can use some exaggeration with it, but it still looks pretty cool. And she's smiling. I would be too if I was driving that thing. Alright folks, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And this week I think I'm going to go back to concentrating on G.I. Joe figures if you've made it this far. So I'll see you next time.